Today I'm going to show you how to animate still photos in Premiere Pro. There are a few different ways we can animate our photos, so let's get started with a slow zoom. Highlight your image and go over to Effect Controls, then hit the stopwatch button next to Scale. Now click and drag this blue circle to where you want the zoom to focus on, then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and increase Scale to 110. Another way we can animate is with a pan. Zoom way into your clip and adjust the position slider so it's just off to one side. Click the stopwatch icon next to position, then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds. Now simply adjust the horizontal position so it's on the other side. If you want to get creative, you can also introduce a mixture of these effects or even add in some rotation if you want. Go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch button next to Scale and Rotation. Modify Scale to 110 and Rotation to -2. Then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds. Now simply increase Scale to 120 and Rotation to 2.